Hey guys, so welcome back, and these are the summer days, and today I'm sharing a summer skincare routine. With the sun shining bright and the temperatures are rising, so it's crucial to give our skin some extra love and care. So let's get dive into it. So I will just start off with combing my hairs as I'm going to oil my hairs. So I will just comb and remove all the knots, and then I will just get into applying oil. So I will apply oil just 2 hours before hair wash, as these are the summer days and applying excess oil can clog the hair follicles, leading to the hair fall and dandruff. And also during these days your scalp tends to produce more sebum due to humidity and heat, so the combination of the sweat and oil can lead to the greasy hair. So I'm applying the coconut oil. I have taken only this little amount of it as I don't want to put extra oil on my scalp or hairs. I will just massage my hairs like this, and after that I will just tie up my hairs and leave them for 2 hours straight. Summer can be harsh on our locks, so it's really essential to keep them healthy and hydrated. After that, I will just wash my hairs with some mild shampoo and today I will be using this Khadi Naturals shampoo, which contains amla and bhringraj. So this has a green tint and it smells awesome, and I am applying a little amount of it on all of my hairs, and I will just wash my hairs gently using this natural shampoo. It helps to remove any buildup and leaves my hairs feeling clean and refreshed. So I have been using this shampoo since 2 weeks, and yeah, it's actually a mild shampoo. If you are looking for something which is natural and contains no chemicals, then you can go for this. After that I will use the same conditioner of same brand, that is the Khadi Naturals, and apply to all the lengths of my hairs. So this combo of shampoo and conditioner is the good one if you're looking for a natural one, and this also promotes the lustrous hair, and it also helps to keep the hairs moisturized, and this one is suitable for all hair types. So yeah, you can go for it for sure. Like usual, I will keep the conditioner on my hairs for 5 to 8 minutes, and until then I will just tie up my hairs, and yes, I will just rinse my hairs off with the normal water after that. Moving on to the skincare, I will start with cleansing my face. So I will be using a Lakme Blush and Glow Kiwi Freshness Gel Face Wash. It gives your skin a gorgeous fruit-cased glow every day, and this is refreshing gel face wash, and this has the fragrance which is so refreshing, and that makes you to use it again and again. So I have almost finished it. So this was the last sip of it, I guess, and I'm using this today. After cleansing my face, I will apply a face mask. So I'm using this Kivia Matcha Green Tea Face Mask with aloe vera and seaweed. I was looking for some face mask which contains matcha. So I found this out, and I am already in love with it. And the texture of it is like a cream, and it gets easily absorbed into the skin. But the thing I hated about it, the smell of it, it's not that good. I just didn't like the smell of it, but the results are significant. It is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-aging properties. The enriching benefits of this face mask are due to the presence of natural ingredients like aloe vera and seaweed that intensely hydrates and moisturizes the skin while making it radiant and firmer. So while the mask is on, I will also put on these eye patches. So these are the DIY eye patches you can make easily at your home. So putting them over your eyes is just a refreshing treat, and this is really relaxing. So this is a Nivea container that I have painted with this green color. I have taken one cucumber, I crushed it, and I have extracted a juice from this cucumber, and this is green color. So I have taken some tissue papers and I have cutted them in the shape of eye patches. And further, that's really easy to make this DIY eye patches. I will just dip these cuts and put into the container. So yes, you can use the cotton pads instead of the tissue paper. The cucumber extract is known for its cooling and soothing properties, and it's just perfect for reducing the puffiness and dark circles. I will put this eye patches and face mask on for 10 minutes, and after that I will wash it off. It was so relaxing, to be honest. Now I will be using this DIY green tea face serum. So for making it, I have taken an empty cup. In that I have just poured warm water. After that, I will take this green tea and I will just put it into the warm water until it leaves its extract. And you can use any green tea, but I had this one, so I'm using this. And the green tea is a powerhouse of ingredients packed with antioxidants, and these are ideal for protecting the skin from environmental damage. I will pour some rose water to this to add some scent and essence. After that, I will put in one vitamin E capsule. And as these are the summer days, it's really important to protect your skin from damage. So this serum you can use overnights. And of course you can store it for 1 to 2 weeks, and also you can put it in a fridge. I will store it into the spray bottle like this. It has the amazing smell as we have added the rose water. I will simply spray it on my face like this, and this is really hydrating and keeps your skin hydrated, and trust me, your skin will thank you for this nourishing boost for this summer. I will let it get absorbed into all of my skin, and after it gets completely absorbed, I will move to the moisturizer. So here I'm using this Biotic Morning Nectar moisturizer. So this moisturizer nourishes and hydrates the skin, and this contains the morning nectar, honey, and the ashwagandha, and it's suitable for all skin types, and it helps to remove the blemishes and also ensures that your skin is flawless. So yeah, these are the summer days, and this is really non-sticky moisturizer. If you're looking for something like that, then you can surely go for it for this summers, and this is also affordable one. This morning nectar biotic moisturizer keeps the skin hydrated and supple throughout the day. I will gently massage it into my skin and like for maximum absorption, and there you have it. So this was my refreshing summer skincare routine featuring DIY eye patches and green tea serum, and yes, many more. I hope you enjoyed following along and learned some new tips. Until then, bye bye.